Welcome to my review of the ELAMOR Intelligent Door Lock Model M22 with Wi-Fi. This is an unboxing and review. So here's a manual. It looks like a drill template. In this box, deadbolt, screws, a little box here. Not sure what this is for. I guess a deadbolt box. Here's the actual door lock. With a keypad. And here's the inside portion of the door with a battery pack. It comes without any batteries, so you will have to supply your own AA batteries, it looks like. And as you can see, it should be pretty straightforward to install. You just connect this end into this piece here, this cable. So this cable, it looks like goes straight in there. You should only be able to fit it one way. You can look closely. The holes are shifted downwards to one end. Not sure if the camera can pick that up, but it should be notched in a certain way that you can only fit it one way plug it into here. So it should be pretty straightforward. I think you just screw these in and install it. I'm gonna pause the video and install this on my door and come back with the full review.